Hello everyone, welcome to A to Z Learnings, your one stop destination for learning everything from A to Z. Whether you are a student, a curious learner, or just someone who loves discovering new things, you are in the right place. Let's start the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you find our content helpful or inspiring, please don't forget to like the video. It really helps us grow. Share it with your friends, classmates, or anyone who loves learning. And hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.